Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Easily channel. English speaking practice. English phrases to practice speaking in English. Dear friends, please do subscribe to my channel and like the videos. Do share to your friends. What do you do? Jobs. What do you do is a common question. It is what you ask someone when you want to know what they work in or how they spend their time. It is impolite and not common to directly ask someone, "What is your job?" When someone asks you what do you do, they mean, what do you work in? What do you do for a living? How do you spend most of your time? Possible ways to answer. I'm a doctor. I am an engineer. I work as a plumber. I am a student. Examples. I am a teacher. I'm a full-time student. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I work as an engineer. I am in between jobs right now. I am a retired nurse. I'm a college student and work part-time as a bartender. I work in a paper factory. I work in sales for a large telecommunications company. What are you doing right now? In the United States, it is common to ask someone what are doing. If someone asks you this, they want to know what you are doing in this exact moment. I am plus verb plusing. Examples. I am reading a book. I am practicing English. I am talking on the phone. I am learning to speak English. I am writing a note. I am cooking dinner. I am cleaning the kitchen. I am washing clothes. I am driving to work. I am at work. I am making an appointment. I am paying bills online. I am chatting with my friends on Skype. If you don't anything really interesting, you could respond by saying, nothing. Nothing much, not much.